let us see the second method how you can use the joins. So let me use select here. Then what I'll do, from the members table, so I'll rename it from members as M. I am doing aliasing, and I'm using a inner join table committee committees as C. Instead of writing on, so here in the previous we have seen how we have used an on clause here. Now instead of on, if we have a same column names in both the tables, like in the member table and in the committee table, we have a same column, that is name. So instead of having like using on, you can write, or you can use a using clause, using, let me write it in this way, using, and just pass on the name of that column, so that is a name column, that's it. So using name, so this will take care of having a matching column between the two tables, from the members table and the committee table. So what you want now, so select m dot member id, so that is m means they are member table, and member id from the member table, and m dot name comma c dot committee id. Okay, now let me execute this and check. You can see this, so you can get the same output. So instead of on giving a condition on the specific column, you can use same. If you have a same column, you can use using also.